Welcome back to the classroom. Next, we're going to talk about a laptop that won't charge properly. This is another very common real world problem. And just like a lot of these issues, the key is not to jump too fast. When someone says a laptop won't charge, again, that's just the symptom. That's not the diagnosis. It is not yet the cause. A charging problem can involve the charger, the charging cable, charging port, the battery, or the internal charging path or circuitry on the laptop. And this is why pattern-based thinking matters here. You'll want to ask yourself, does it never charge at all? Does it charge sometimes? Does it charge only at certain angles? Does the battery icon change when the cable moves? Does it stay plugged in, but not actually build a charge? Does it lose charge quickly even when it's connected? These clues matter a lot. For example, if the charging behavior changes when the user moves the cable, that points to you towards a more physical connection issue. And that might mean a damaged charger tip, a worn charging port, looseness in the connection wires, or another part of the charging path. If the laptop recognizes a charger but still drains abnormally fast, that can point you in a different direction. The main point here is that won't charge is too broad unless you define the exact behavior. And one of the biggest beginner mistakes is immediately saying, oh, it just may need a new battery. Well, sometimes it does, but not always. A better troubleshooter slows down and asks, what exactly is the charging behavior telling me? This is one of those problems where careful observation is worth a lot. So what happens when the cord moves? What happens when the laptop's running on the battery only? What happens when it's plugged in? What lights come on? What lights don't come on? What patterns repeat itself? This is the kind of thinking that keeps you from replacing the wrong thing too early. So the main lesson here with charging issues is to be sure to define the pattern before deciding the cause. All right, your action step after this lesson is to list 3 clues that would make you think a laptop charging problem might be a physical issue versus a software related issue.